Jeffrey here with NOLA Kayak Tours, and we're planning to save the bayou one tree at a time. We'll rent you a kayak, we'll give you a cypress tree, and to protect it from those invasive nutrient rats, here's what we do. After you plant your bald cypress tree right here, you stake it for support. You take your plastic wrap to protect it from those stinky nutrient rats. You're gonna wrap the tree like this so they can't get to the roots with their sharp orange teeth. And then you're gonna close it with zip ties, which we provide. As easy as that. As hard as I make it look, it's not that hard. There we go. Preserving our wetlands, holding the coast in place, and getting a little exercise at the same time. Right across the way, that's where we're headed. Let's go!